This scene may remind you of the transporter, but this isn't a movie set, it's a real-life innovation in Auckland, New Zealand. Mata Collective took a normal bedroom and turned it into a garage that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. They added a car lift and motorized the front fence, all while keeping the original architecture. From the outside, still looks like the same house.
Inside, total transformation.
Automobile Auto-Stacker Parking Lift. If you've ever needed more garage space but had nowhere to expand, this is for you. The Auto-Stacker is a clever parking lift that allows you to store one car above the other in a standard garage. No renovations needed. It lifts a car in just 55 seconds and can hold up to 6,000 pounds. It's designed to be compact and user-friendly, and it works with most home garage setups. With features like rubber door guards, integrated drip trays, and a maintenance-free hydraulic system, it's made for durability and ease. Plus, the sleek steel structure keeps your garage looking clean and modern.
House Gaze Box.
This one's like the transformer of car shelters. It's called the Gaze Box, half garage, half gazebo. It looks like a transparent pod made of steel and polycarbonate that opens up like a butterfly's wings. It's fully modular and offers all-season protection from sun, snow, and rain. You can open and close it with a remote, and it even has optional extras like solar panels, lights, and climate control. What makes it extra cool is the UV protection and sound insulation built into the panels. Plus, the aesthetic design fits into gardens, patios, or driveways without being an eyesore. Down Arrow Ideal Park, Underground Garage. This one's for anyone who doesn't want their car to ruin their home's aesthetic. Ideal Park installs an underground garage right in your driveway or yard. Your car disappears below ground with just a swipe or tap, James Bond style. You can customize the top to match your garden tiles or driveway so it blends in completely. It holds over 7,700 pounds, uses radar and laser guidance, and even comes with fingerprint access. Some models even have lighting, ventilation, and climate controls, making it feel more like a high-tech showroom than just a hidden parking spot. Motor Scooter S-Park two-wheeler parking. Now here's a smart solution from India, where two-wheelers like scooters and bikes are everywhere. This hydraulic parking system lets you stack two bikes in the space of one. It works with a manual control switch and can lift in about 15 seconds.
Even better?
It functions during power outages too. It's built with durable materials, includes safety locks to prevent slippage, and has a powder-coated finish to withstand outdoor conditions. Ideal for personal garages, office buildings, or crowded urban areas where space is tight but demand is high. Motorboat Trutegra Crane Automation. Switching gears to boats, because hey, marine vehicles need parking too. In Fort Lauderdale, Trutegra developed an automated crane system for boat storage. Traditional boat lifts swing around and sway, but this one uses a no-sway system and touchscreen controls for precision. It can stack more boats in the same space, minimizing risk of damage. With RFID access, real-time load tracking, and weather-resistant components, it brings industrial-level automation to the leisure boating world. It's efficient, scalable, and perfect for busy marinas or luxury boat clubs. Office building AJ Automated Parking Systems. South Korea knows a thing or two about maximizing space, and AJ's automated parking towers are proof. These vertical systems can park over 250 cars in a footprint that would normally fit just a few. You just swipe a card, and the system retrieves your car without you ever having to go inside. It's super quiet, safe, and uses minimal vibration and sound. These systems reduce CO2 emissions from idle cars, have automatic fire suppression, and are integrated with smart sensors to prevent any parking errors. A futuristic solution for rapidly growing cities. Cardiac Turntable 360. Don't have enough room to turn your car around?
No problem.
Cardiac's turntable rotates your car 360 degrees so you can drive in, spin around, and drive right out. No awkward reversing or tight maneuvering. It can handle up to 6,600 pounds and comes with either remote or manual control. It's weatherproof, easy to maintain, and can be installed on almost any surface, gravel, concrete, or tile. You can also add custom finishes, making it a stylish upgrade for any luxury home or tight parking space. Motorcycle Folding Box Garages. Germany brings us this sleek, folding garage box, perfect for motorcycles. It's an aluminum structure that slides open and closed, keeping your bike safe from the elements. It's lightweight but durable, and you can even get one with built-in tool storage. Whether you want it wall-mounted or freestanding, it's an elegant solution to protect your ride. It comes with anti-theft locks, ventilation panels, and even heating options for colder climates. A simple but solid solution for daily riders and collectors alike. Sun Solar-Powered Retractable Garage. This one's for the minimalist who still wants maximum protection. The solar retractable garage is a compact structure that can fold and unfold to shelter your car. It's made of stainless steel, resistant to wind, snow, and sun, and it's totally off-grid thanks to solar panels. There's even a built-in alarm system for security. The panels also power built-in LED lights, and the fabric can be fire-resistant or UV-proof depending on your needs. Installation takes just a few hours, and it's easy to move if you relocate. Key Evolution Parking System. Imagine a garage that lets you park one car above the other, with no contractor required. The Evolution system is a plug-and-play setup that lets you park two cars in a space usually meant for one. It lowers the upper platform in about a minute, and once you're parked, it lifts it back up so you can use the bottom space. It comes pre-assembled, with minimal setup, and includes anti-drop locks and a durable steel frame. It's reliable, cost-effective, and can be installed in residential or commercial settings with ease. Vertical rotary parking. China's taken things even further with these rotating vertical parking systems. They work like a Ferris wheel for cars, rotating clockwise or counterclockwise to retrieve or store vehicles. They come in 6, 8, 10, and 12 car configurations and are fully automated. Sure, they can be a little noisy and consume more energy, but the space-saving benefits are huge. They're weather-resistant, have built-in safety sensors, and include touchscreen interfaces that make parking feel effortless, even in tight urban zones. Bus Faulkner Mobile Motorhome Garage. Last but definitely not least, the ultimate in mobile luxury. The Faulkner Mobile is a full-sized luxury motorhome that comes with a garage inside. It's over 35 feet long, built on a Volvo chassis, and powered by a 350 HP engine. Inside, you get solid oak flooring, a full kitchen, plush living area, and a hidden garage for your sports car. There's even satellite TV, solar panels, and leather recliners. It's literally a 5-star hotel on wheels, and it brings your garage along for the ride. From rotating platforms to underground bunkers to folding motorcycle cocoons, it's wild to see how far garage and parking tech has come. Which one was your favorite? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more incredible tech that's shaping the future. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.